Lo msolwa wesishiyagalombili uboshwe esebhasini elibangise eKapa esuka eQonce e-Eastern Cape.
Through thorough investigation, police followed information and cornered the bus at King Limstown bus station that was heading to Cape Town. Upon searching the bus, they found the 20-year-old male who was the only outstanding suspect in the Lusikisiki mass shooting. He was immediately arrested and will be charged accordingly.
Izisulu zalesigameko kwakungabesifazane abayi-15, abesilisa ababili, kanti isisulu esincane sasineminyaka eyi-14 ubudala. Kwasinda usana olunezinyanga ezimbili luzelwe olwalusemhlane kunina ngesikhathi edutshulwa.
View the body. Sure, it was traumatizing on its own. You could see that that is not a 9mm gun shot. It's a rifle, and all the deceased injuries were on their head, so that they meant to kill them.
Amaphoyisa aqala ukubopha abasolwa emva kwesonto isigameko senzekile.
Remember, we arrested them in different places. The first two was in the province here in Lusikisiki, the other two in Flagstaff, the two that was found in possession of the firearms, and the other two was in KZN, and then the one that has been coming from jail.
Lo msolwa wesishiyagalombili uzovela enkantolo kokuqala kusasa. Asolwa nababa isikhombisa bona bavela ngomfumfu kanti balaxaza ithuba lokufaka isicelo sebheyili.